What is the difference between e raised to x and e raised to ix? You might have asked. E raised to x denotes an increase in rotation. E raised to ix denotes an increase in rotation. As x increases, x is usually time, say, the number of rotations increase, the number of oscillations increase. So e raised to ix means you are dealing with something that is periodic in nature. It keeps moving up and down like a dolphin, or it may involve some kind of rotation. E raised to ix means rotation in the anti-clockwise direction, and e raised to minus ix denotes rotation in the clockwise direction. E raised to x, on the other hand, denotes increase. E raised to minus decrease. Now instead of x, just put theta, e raised to I theta. You might have seen this formula as e raised to I theta equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos is a measure of how much perpendicular. Everything in nature has got a real part and an imaginary part. That is a parallel component and a perpendicular component. Cos is a measure of how much parallel two forces are, and I sin theta is a measure of how much perpendicular that force or that influence is with respect to the ground or some other reference surface. Imagine this woman with a pram moving at a velocity of 5. Slow. Her velocity becomes 3 plus 4i, 3 being the component and 4 being the perpendicular component. The theta can be found out. In cos theta is the real part, I sin theta the imaginary. Cos theta a measure of how much parallel is a measure of how much perpendicular influences e raised to I60 at different angles. The difference between e raised to x and e raised to I is short. Whatever you are seeing is an excerpt from books called as Visualizing Math 1, Visualizing Math 2 and Quantum Leaps. These books contain the building blocks of mathematics explained with the help of simple and down-to-earth analogies and examples. So these ebooks contain all the building blocks of math with the help of simple and down-to-earth images and examples like these. For example, complex numbers indicate rotation. I is nothing but I denotes rotation by 90 degrees, I square rotation by 180 degrees, I cube rotation by 270 degrees, and so on. Complex conjugates can be denoted as vertically opposite mirror images of each other. Transpose of a matrix is rotation around the rotation about the axle, about the diagonal as the axis of rotation. Sine is a measure of how much perpendicular two forces are. At 90 degrees the impact is full when the ball hits the wall, and at 30 degrees the impact reduces to half, and so on. Thank you for your attention. The links to these books is available in the description. They're available on Gumroad, and you can purchase them with the help of a card. Thank you.